Good morning and welcome back to my channel. I know it may be a little early, but have any of you started thinking about what you're going to plant for your spring and summer crops? Well, I have, and I thought I would show you what I'm going to be doing. Okay, I've started thinking about what I'm going to plant for my spring/summer crops, and as such I've ordered some seeds. These particular seeds came in this little box from a company called Florida Seed and Garden out of Lakeland, Florida. And inside are seeds for plants that are conducive to the Florida weather. There are some tomatoes, Floridate, Brandywine, Marglobe. There are some hot peppers, habanero Caribbean, carrots, mustards, romaine lettuce, and Simpson lettuce. So of these, I'm not really sure what I'm going to plant or not. Maybe the Floridate and maybe a Brandywine. Not sure. I also ordered some new eggplant seeds from Baker Creek. These are the Lista de Grande and the Rosita. Funny thing, after in an upcoming or past video rather, where I was lamenting about my eggplants, the two that are left have actually started producing fruit. The variety is called the Black Beauty Patio, and it looks like I'm gonna have 6 or 7 fruit coming up soon, so that's a good thing. But I had actually said I wasn't going to plant anymore, but I was looking through online at Baker Creek and I love these, so I think I'm going to do these during the spring. And I also wanted to do some giant Marconi seeds, so I ordered these from Pepper Joe. I'm probably going to do both of these as well. I ordered these from Organo Republic, and this is supposed to be a summer premium collection of seeds. It has zucchini, butternut squash, eggplant, pumpkin, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, bok choy, cauliflower, broccoli, rapini, kohlrabi, beet, radish, okra, celery, cucumber, beefsteak tomato, large cherry tomato, California Wonder, and cayenne. Now, obviously, I'm not going to plant all of these, but some of these I might, depending on the variety. And then I have some more seeds that I've saved myself. These are jambalaya okra seeds, and these are the Grandma McKay cowpeas. These are okay. The seeds are very, very, very small, which means that you have to grow a lot of plants in order to get a pretty decent harvest. I'm trying to get a seed out to show you. Okay, don't know if you can see that very well, but it is very, 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 very small. So what I'm thinking about doing, I saw this on somebody else's YouTube. I'm probably going to buy a pack of black-eyed peas and plant or try to plant some of them. So I will have a true black-eyed pea. And then I have previously planted the purple hull cowpea, and I'm probably going to do that again. Okay, I have, as you can see, lots of seeds. This is a tomato, the Big Zack. I got it from Tomato Grower Supply. This is a Aroma Florida 91 from Haas. Tasty Leaf Hybrid from Haas. I'm sorry, from Tomato Growers. Red Robin, some zucchini, and some squash, also from Haas. So more than likely, like I said, I have some time to decide, but what I've shown you so far is what I'm probably going to go with as far as planting. Put these away. Okay, here is where I keep a lot of my seeds in this satchel. And predominantly I have my seeds and my hot peppers, my beans and peas and my hot peppers in here. And a few zucchini and onion seeds. And I also have another container with 14 different containers that I keep seeds in. So, like for instance, these are my turnips, and I know I have a tray for turnips here. So I'm going to put these in. I was wondering if any of you get to the point where you have so many seeds that you actually go and start throwing stuff out. Let me know in the comment section below. I've been given a directive by my family not to order any more seeds, but it's so tempting and so hard not to. So, real quick little video just to be curious to see if anybody has decided to or started thinking about spring and summer crops. It seems like after I got my fall crops up, or cool season crops up, my mind immediately went to spring. So if you're that way too, leave me a note in the comment section and I'll reply back to you. If you have any suggestions or anything that you think I should give a try to grow, let me know that as well. Remember, in small spaces such as mine, you can grow good amount of food for yourself and your family. I want to thank you for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed, please take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of vegetables, but I can't grow the channel without your help. If you do subscribe, make sure that you hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload new content. Be sure to hit the like button. That helps with the YouTube algorithm. And until next time, stay strong, stay blessed, and grow, grow, grow.